Do you have an appliance that has so much grease and food caked on it that you can't even see through the glass? Well, if you have 5 minutes and $5, I can show you how to make it look new. With that $5, you're going to hop onto Amazon and you're going to purchase Easy Off Oven Clean. You want to look for the can with the yellow lid. Now that we have our supplies, let's get started. First thing you're going to do is apply an even coat across the entire surface. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, allowing it to penetrate that grease and burnt on food. While we wait, if you've been enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Now that we've let this sit for about 5 minutes, go ahead and grab a scraping device or paper towels, and we're going to go ahead and wipe down the surface. As you can see, all that grease and grime comes right off, no problem. Because I'm outside, I'm going to do one additional step. I'm going to go ahead and grab my hose and give it a quick rinse. If you're inside, you'll probably want to grab a bucket and a rag and just give it a damp wipe down. And just like that, with $5 and 5 minutes, we've taken something that looked like it was old and unusable and made it like new. If you guys enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel, and you'll be the first to know when I drop new content.